Welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to explain about the General Electric's analysis. The General Electric analysis is a portfolio analysis tools that used to evaluate the business unit based on the industry attractiveness and the business strength, and it include 9 cells. These 9 cells were based on the industry attractiveness and business strength. There are various factors that were included in the industry attractiveness, such as market size, market growth rate, and political environment, legal environment, technological environment, as well as company structures and the workforce availabilities and technology. These are the factors that are included in the industry attractiveness. And now let's talk about the those factors that were included in the business strengths are the market shares and the manufacturing, promotion, distributions, financial resources, and research and development. These are the sales force, and these are the factors that were included in the business strengths. Now there are mainly 9 sales, in which 9 sales, sales 1, 2, and sales 4. These are the they are the winners, or they are given more priority in the portfolio investment. Are sales 1, 2, and 4. And now let's talk about the other sales 3, 5, and 7. These sales are the medium or average, and the investor invests these sales according to the investment, according to the situation or conditions. And now let's talk about the and the remaining sales, such as remaining sales such as 6, 8, and 9. These sales are too much. These sales are bad, means the investor, or the company want to divest it, or slow down, or shut down the investment. Are They are the losers, and they are the losers. Now let's talk about the limitations of General Electric. General Electric limitations are: they are too much time consuming is first one, and it is difficult to measure. And they are static in natures, and subjectivity. These are the limitation of General Electrics. And now let's talk about why General Electric is more superior than BCG matrix. Because due to the complexity, and second one is the 9 cells versus 4 quadrants, as well as 9 cell versus 4 quadrants. 9 cell versus 4 quadrant, and flexibility, and better for complexity business, and flexibility, and better for complexity business. These are the more superior than the BCG matrix. Hope you like this video. Thank you.